Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have discussion on a very interesting topic, especially for younger generation. With the time, the many changes occurs in our culture. But sometimes these cultures are adaptable or not adaptable is a confusion. But if we know ins and outs about it, it becomes easy for us to make the decision. Today we are going to talk about hookup. Now, what is hookup? Hookup is a sexual relation without any emotional attachment. Nowadays, it's very common for the young generation to go for the parties, late night parties especially, go for weekends parties, date with so many friends, have sex, just for fun. Now, this is hookup. Now, why does the need for hookup arises? First thing, loneliness. See, in ancient times, there was a joint family. The children were taken care by grandparents. They used to have more love from them. So they had a security. But now with the breaking up of joint family system, parents both are working. They can't give enough time to their children. And so they need something which will break their loneliness. And so for fun, they start hookup. Secondly, this generation, especially young generation of today, always wants attention. If a girl or a boy do not get enough attention, feels very conscious and tries best to get attention. Again, for that, they go for hookup so that they get attention from many people. Now, I think third is most probably young generation after a very bad experience in love. They go for hookup. The bad experience in love means maybe they have chosen a very wrong partner and had a very bad experience which hurts them. To soothe this hurting feeling, they go for hookup. They just want to forget about that bad experience. Just have fun. Next is this generation sometimes do not want to bear responsibilities. And hookup is such that it is less stress, less responsibility, just fun. And then forget. So it's very convenient, for the people who don't want to take responsibility of relation. The last is, this is less rigid, you see. When you go for a Tinder relationship, it is rigid, you're tied up with one person and you have to take care of him, love him. Even he takes care of you, loves you. But here it is very flexible. You're not going to take care, nothing. Just have fun and then forget. Okay, all these things are very nice. Because I think in some web series or somewhere you might have seen all these things. But you don't forget that real life in real life, is totally different. First, let us see that hookup has something which is missing. What is missing is safety and health, you see. For your health also, too much of anything is not good. Similarly, too much of sex is also sometimes not good. It is not safer also to go with so many people and have sex. Secondly, some human beings are very emotional. They are so emotional that they want emotional attachment. They weigh more emotional attachment to physical needs. Their hookup is not proper for them. Because they want is, to walk under a sky with stars and moon, hand in hand sing a song, or at least chat something, blah blah, whatever it is, some nice things. And then they feel so satisfied. This emotional attachment is missing. Next is, it's a bit confusing, You go today with someone, the another day someone, the another day someone. And this sometimes brings somewhere unknowingly confusion in your mind about with whom you should go. We are human beings. There are certain incidents, certain points in the life where we want to share our feelings, We want to tell so many things. But in hookup relation, they are not interested for such things. They just are interested for sex. That is it. They are not interested for sharing and caring. Sharing and caring is not a word there. I think all these things happens. The root of it is somewhere also. If you see, it is in our tradition that the girl and the boy used to get married at the proper age. But now the young generation wants to go for achievement, for material success, and then get married. Sometimes at the age of 30 or somewhere 20, after 30 also. But they forget that when we are hungry, we need food. When we are thirsty, we need something to drink. Similarly, our body needs sexually something, and that is not fulfilled, then they go for hookup culture. So if at the right time you have someone, then maybe you would not pray for it. I don't say it's wrong to be hookup, but it depends on every person's character, thinking. See, every person is different from each other. So it depends on your need, your character. So whatever suits you is the best here. Nothing is wrong till you are happy. So I wish you all the best for thinking once and then go for it. Thank you guys. That's all for today. If you like my video, please share, like and comment, and please subscribe. Please tell your friends to subscribe this channel. We are going to have some such topics very soon, and we are trying to give you little bit information and share with so many things with you.